Yeah, definitely. And as we head into 2018, from your perspective, again, what's the number one action that a collision repair facility, regardless size, big or small, should really be looking for?
I think research, making sure that we're doing the repairs correctly, and training that we have the ability to do the repairs correctly. I think that's probably one of the key things. Just making sure that we understand what's the right way to repair the vehicle to the OE standards, and then if OE is not available, what's the industry accepted way to fix that vehicle.
As we head into 2018 here, what's kind of the number one action item from your perspective that collision repair facilities, no matter big or small, really should be looking into for 2018?
Well, I think it all really comes down to technicians, training, and retention. The new vehicles are all requiring many new procedures to be properly repaired, and having capable and trained technicians is just a top priority. All the tools and equipment does not replace good, competent technicians.
From your perspective, again, as we head into 2018, what's the number one action, regardless of the size of a shop, big or small, that we really should be looking at as we head into the next year?
That's easy, training. I think that nothing is more important in today's industry than training. With how fast the technology is training, with how fast vehicles are changing and the vehicle makeups are changing, there's a lot of things that we do have to pay attention to, but I think the biggest thing is training. If you and your team are going to training and you're getting the necessary feedback and the education to do these repairs properly, everything else can kind of fall in line. By going to the training, you can understand what equipment that you'll need to purchase. By going to the training, you can understand what it takes to repair these new materials. By training, you can understand what makes the most sense for your shop, for your demographic, and the cars that you're repairing.
Very good. That's an interesting perspective. Usually it kind of goes the other way, tools and then equipment, but I really like your perspective. We'll get the training and then you'll know all the tools about it. So that's fantastic.
Yeah, I really think it's easy to say, oh, look, there's this brand new aluminum dent puller. There's this brand new, MIG welder that does aluminum and silicone bronze. But if you're buying those just to buy them and you're not looking at, what cars you're repairing and what makes sense for your business, I think you're doing yourself a disservice. So yeah, by going to the training and understanding what's coming up and then relating that to your business and your industry or your shop, you can really decide on what tools and equipment need to be purchased based on that.